Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguars.
What's up, Johnson Jaguars? This is the broadcast for June 2nd, 2025. It's finally June. This month is full of events,
Like our last assembly and field day. Let's get started with the Jaguar pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar. I am a responsible learner. I am safe. I am respectful. I am productive. I am a Johnson Jaguar. Roar! Be safe. Please stop the game if someone gets hurt. Decide if that person needs to go to the health office.
Be respectful. Play to have fun, not to get certain person out. That's not nice.
Be productive. Do your best work on the end of the year test. Show what you know.
Enjoy the show. Bye.
Friday is field day. This field day is about having fun and play games outside.
Fourth and fifth, be captains. Have fun.
Have fun.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars.
Did you know this Sunday it's gonna be Father's Day? One of the best days.
Fun fact. Did you know that Father's Day started in 1910?
What is something you appreciate about your father?
He gives me a roof over my head.
He likes to play sports with me and take care of me.
I appreciate that my dad's a hard worker. Now let's take a look at the picture.
Bye!
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. This week is 5th grade time to presentate their DOL, which stands for Demonstration of Learning.
If you're wondering what is it about, it's about how much you learn throughout the year.
4th graders are included and are gonna be doing the same thing next year.
And one thing about the DOL is some adults will be watching you and reading your presentation and how it is.
To try their best. Be confident.
Don't worry, people are laughing or talking throughout your presentation.
Just focus on yourself and get through it.
Bye, Johnson!
Parent University studying in Arabic, English, and Farsi.
It is the reading program that helps parents to read with their kids at home, build relationships, and inspire the love of reading.
Every session, they read a book and ask questions and do an activity. Good job!
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. This month is full of birthdays. Here are some birthdays in June. Miss Spar,
Miss Casab,
Mr. Martinez,
Miss Rempel,
Miss Maggie,
Miss Rebecca,
Miss Quirk,
Miss Rosa,
Miss Lori.
Miss Ross.
Miss Hirschmiller.
Did you guys know that my birthday is also in June?
No. Do you want a cookie?
Yeah. Hand it over, buddy.
Heck no.
Oh, man.
If your birthday is in June, please stand up. And in 3,
2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Martha. Happy birthday to you.
Asprion is retiring. Wow.
Can we ask you some questions?
Sure.
How long have you been a librarian?
Well, I'm at 2 schools, but at my other school, I've been there 26 years at Narenka. And then at this school, about 22 years.
Do you love reading books with children?
I do. It is really fun. I really, really like that. You know what? It's really fun because I get to see the boys and girls come in and they sit down and read with me. So it's really fun. It kind of gives me a little chance to get to know them a little more. I feel like I have the best job in the world.
What's your favorite thing to do as a librarian?
It's really fun. Over the weekend, I'll plan what we're going to do for the week. And then, it's fun to find the stories that I think that they would like and, all the extra stuff that we like doing. So it's really fun planning everything. And then Monday morning I get it all ready and then all the boys and girls come in. So it's kind of fun to do that.
What are you hoping to do after your retirement?
Oh my goodness. So I have a lot of albums I'm behind on. So I have some scrapbooking to do. And I used to take dance classes more, but I'm hoping I can find some more dance classes. I'm hoping now that I can visit family a little bit longer.
One memory I had was the Flanner board story. Miss Asprion used to stick pictures of animals onto the board and make stories about them.
I remember in kindergarten she always used to read us the Rainbow Fish book before quarantine.
Thank you for what you done to Johnson.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. Today I'm going to be talking about open house. This Thursday is open house. Open house is when your parents come and check on all the work you've been doing in the year. They'll be checking on how you improved. And I'm sure all of you improved so much. At open house, teachers will be giving out popsicles. So delicious. Bye, Johnson Jaguars.
Hi guys, my name is Asanat. I did a power up I played. Yeah, power up was the best, and yesterday was the last day, and we had a lot of fun. 5th graders and 4th graders and 3rd graders and 2nd graders had a big party in the black top, and then we learned about how ladybugs grow. Butterflies come from they lay their eggs and then they turn to something else, and then they go to butterflies, and we let them yesterday go. It was so fun. Bye guys. 3rd grade is helping the garden by pulling weed. Nice job, 3rd graders.
Thanks for watching.
Wait, do I say something?
You sold it.
Wait, that could be 2 gophers.
You sold. Okay, restart it. Wait.
Nathan, I'm 9 and he's 10. I know less, he knows more. He's taller, I'm shorter, and we are both magnets.
And we are both the Natans. Enjoy the show.